How to change payment method on Shein before checkout. Let's get started. First, launch your Shein app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll be directed to the shop page. Now you can head towards any of the item that you want to purchase. Click on the item. Select the details for it, quantity, color, size, and add it to the cart. Once you are done, you can head over to the cart page. For that, click on the cart icon given at the top right. Now select the items that you want to purchase right away and click on checkout. You'll be directed to order confirmation page. Provide your shipping details, shipping method. Now here you're going to find this section of payment method. You can select the option of your choice, PayPal, debit or credit card, any option you would like to use for this purchase. Then you can click on place order, provide your payment details, and then confirm your order. This way you can easily change payment method on Shein before checkout. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.